Hi, this is Greg Green, and what I'd like to do is take you through how to create a video in Jing. And so the first thing you want to do is you want to determine what you're going to record. Most of us are going to record some sort of PowerPoint or keynote presentation, or even a blank slide if we're going to draw on the screen, like say a math problem or what have you, using a Wacom tablet. But what I'd like to do is kind of show you the basics of how to do a video screen recording. So we're going to use a program called Jing, and Jing sits on the side of your computer screen. As you can see there, you have to kind of search for it because you can see that it's somewhat transparent. But when you mouse over it, three points stick out, and one of them is this capture button that has somewhat looking like a T on it. So I just select the capture. Now what I want to do is I want to highlight the portion of my PowerPoint, the actual slide that I'm talking about. Now, when I go to capture the video, you can see that I can do that in the toolbar below. So I have the capture the image, which we've already gone over, and now we're going to do a capture video, which looks like a film strip. I'm going to select that. Now it's going to give me a countdown. Now as I'm talking, it's going to record at the same time. Now, the reason that I want to just record the slide that I'm talking about and not the side in which I can roll through the slides is because it makes it difficult, the software for whatever reason makes it difficult to flip back and forth through the slides. So what you want to do is you simply want to record the slide that you're talking about, and then in the left hand slide just click through the slides as you go, like I'm doing here. And that way you can simply record. Now you're just recording the actual slide, you're not recording the movement on the left hand side, because you can see that the film strips here, what they do is they box in what actually you're recording. You're not recording the movement or the slides on the side at that point. Now you can see that because I'm using a program to record all my movement through Jing and what have you. So I'm using another program to capture my screen as I go through Jing with you. But this is an easy way to do your voiceover PowerPoints. Now, one of the things you also know this toolbar has moved from the bottom to the top, which allows you to have 5 minutes. And you can see that there's 5 units, and you can see the time elapsing. You can see a counter here on the side. You can also cancel it, restart it, you can mute it for whatever reason, and you can also pause it. So it gives you quite a few options. Now, once I'm finished with that, what I can do is I can preview the video. And once I preview the video, let's say that I'm just going to play the video. Now, as I'm talking, it's going to record at the same time. Now I like what it looks like and what have you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share it to screencast.com, and this is where your video sharing account with Jing comes in. The video itself right now we're not able to share it. We need to have a program that allows us to get a link to share with our students, and we do that through Screencast. And you can see share via screencast.com. We want to just name it, and you can just rename your video here as Jing Overview, and I simply just share it. Now once it's finished uploading, what it will do, it will give you notification and actually allow you, when it gives you notification, it'll give you a link to find your video. You simply copy and paste the link that it gives you once it shows up on your page, and we're just waiting for that to happen so you can see the entire process. Now it says view on screencast.com. I simply select that, and now my video is ready to be shared with our students. So I just simply highlight that and edit, copy, and then I select edit and paste when I go to my blog or what have you, and paste it right into your blog or Remind 101 so you can share with your students. It's that simple. So this has been Greg Green, and this is how you do a Jing video. Thank you.